Watching small-scale onion farmers count losses while the farm she was managing was making millions from the same crop is what made Lucy Wangari resign from her job and set up a consultancy firm called Onion Doctor. Farmers used to visit the farm she used to work in and wanted to know what they were doing differently to remain profitable, since a good number of them were counting losses in their ventures. This is when she realized that there is a gap in the onion farming business which needs to be filled.
When I was at a veteran farm, I would get a lot of visitors coming to see, and they would have so many questions of the problems I had gone through and my mistakes. There's a time we lost 1 million because of post-harvest. So with the problems that we had with post-harvest, nursery establishment, I realized so many people are coming into farming, but they would want that knowledge. And so that's from that point, I hadn't even realized I would do consulting for onions. But when the people would come to visit the farm and they tell me, can you come to my farm? I will pay for that. And I'm like, oh, so you can pay for that. And then that's how Onion Doctor came to be.
Onion Doctor is an agricultural consultancy firm that offers various services to onion farmers, such as site evaluation, soil testing, professional guidance on onion farming from land preparation, drip irrigation installation, mechanization, seeds and seedlings, and market linkages. They walk the journey with their clients with site visits every 2 weeks. The uniqueness about their service is that they advocate for circular agriculture, also known as external input farming. Circular agriculture means that they keep residue of agricultural, biomass and food processing within the food systems and renewable resources. It not only focuses on good yields and the sparing use of resources and energy, but also stresses the importance of putting as little pressure on the environment, nature and climate as possible.
Alone last year, we were able to, together with our farmers, we were able to produce around 500,000 kilograms of onions that we fed to the Nairobi market. So that's part of what we've done for food production. I'm really glad and happy that I'm part of the solution of food security and creating employment. And above all, I'm part of an inspiration story, because I always say, and I believe I am one of the people that can help more get into farming. My main focus of market is Kenya, because the market is ready. We just need to establish ourselves. So in 5 years' time, I hope to have a bulking center. I'm hoping to have a distribution point, a farmers network, and a demonstration farm, a trainable demonstration farm that is TVET approved. People can come, learn something and get certificates out of it so that they can go and practice.